Hi friends! Today we are going to build our own delicious taco. First things first, you have to cook the meat. Cook the meat over medium to high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently. The ground beef should turn from light pink to brown. Stir in the taco seasoning mix and water until boiling. Then, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring frequently until thickened. Next, we are going to dice up our fresh tomato. You can choose to buy a head of lettuce to chop up and a block of cheese to shred, but this time around we're going to keep the prep to a minimum by just prepping the tomato. Get all the fixings ready for the taco bar and you're all set to start building. Fold your taco so all the ingredients stay in the shell and enjoy!